Right, we've now lined the new front wing in place. And we've just given it a couple of little tacks just up there, just to hold it in place, just to check the gap to the bonnet. So we've fitted the bonnet on. And now we just check to make sure we've got the gap. Close the bonnet down. So we know the bonnet's in the right position because it drops straight into the catch. So then we can just check against the wing. And as you see there, it's a little bit close on this very front corner, but we haven't put the bonnet stop in, so obviously that's going to give us quite a bit of movement there. But the actual side gap, the way it runs with the bonnet, is nice, about the same as the other side. But it does look a bit different because obviously it's black against white, so it seems to be even larger, but it's not. So what we'll do now is we'll take the bonnet off again and weld the wing in place. Now we've replaced the rusted old scuttle and made some nice new plates all the way across. As you can see there, right the way across, and we've plug welded all the way along. So when we ground those down, we put a little skim of filler in there, smooth it all out. And we've made our little plate where the headlight mount would be. We'll just have to put the headlamp mount in and then just shape that round through. And also our finishing plates on the bottom corner there. Okay, and as you can see, this battery has just been held in by string. So what we've done is we've actually made a battery tray up, which will slide up underneath there, and we'll drill through and bolt that into the inner wing. And we've also made, out of some threaded rod, some clamp rods. So we'll just drill a hole inside, that'll hook inside, and that'll secure the battery in position and make it nice and solid. So our next stage will be to dress this all in with some filler and grind up and seal up the new wing panel. And we'll do a video in the process of that.